So for this video, pag-uusapan ulit natin si product rule. So differential calculus pa rin po tayo at ito po ang formula ng ating product rule. So the derivative of your u times v is just equal to u dv over dx plus v du over dx. So we have here a sample function. F of x is equal to quantity x cubed plus 1 raised to 5 times quantity 4x plus 7 raised to 3. So, susundan lang po natin yung ating formula sa taas, uv. Ayan siya. So, we will identify our u. So, ito po yung ating u. Okay? At yung v po natin ay, of course, ito. Okay? So, susundan lang natin to. Okay? So, now let's copy our u, which is x to the 6 plus 1 raised to 5 times the derivative of our v, which is c4x plus 7 raised to 3. Of course, plus, yan, copy ulit natin si v, which is c4x plus 7 raised to 3. Again, we're just following this formula. Ayan, so, derivative na tayo ng ating u, which is ito. Ito siya. So, x raised to 6 plus 1 raised to 5. So, ngayon, we will take na its derivative. Again, copy natin ito. So, that's x to the 6 plus 1 raised to 5. Now, the derivative of this one, so itong si 3, ay ilalagay natin dyan. This is power rule, okay? So, 3. Tapos, copy natin itong nasa parenthesis, 4x plus 7. Tapos, 3 minus 1, that's 2. Tapos, we will get the derivative of whatever is inside our parenthesis. Ito si 4x plus 7. So, the derivative of our 4x is 4. Tapos, ang derivative po ng constant ng ating 7 is 0. So, whenever you will take the derivative of a constant, that is always 0. So, ayan. Plus, copy po ulit natin ito. Ayan, so 4x plus 7 raised to 3. And now, we will get the derivative of this. So, itong 5, ilalagay natin dyan as a coefficient. Ayan siya. So, parang power rule lang ito. Tapos, copy natin. Ito siya, whatever is inside, again, the parenthesis. So, 4x plus 1. Tapos, 5 minus 1, that's 4. And we will take the derivative of whatever is inside the parenthesis. So, this case, x raised to 6 is 6x raised to 5. And again, the derivative of 1 is 0. So, ayan, nakuha na po natin yung ating derivative. So, ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay i-simplify po natin itong ating answer. So, makikita po natin dito, meron tayong 3 at saka 4. So, 3 times 4 is 12. Yan. Tapos, copy lang natin ito. Yan. Plus 1 raised to 5. Tapos, ito, copy lang din natin. 4x plus 7 raised to 2. Now, dito meron tayong 5, tsaka meron tayong 6x raised to 5. So, 5 times 6 is 30. Tapos, copy lang natin si x raised to 5. Copy din natin ito, si 4x plus 7. At ito rin, si x raised to 6 plus 1 raised to 4. So, ngayon po ay i-simplify pa po natin further yung ating answer. So, makikita natin dito meron tayong mga common. Like this one, 12 at saka si 30. So, anong common nila? Diba? 6. So, ilalabas natin yung common, 6. Aside from that, meron tayong common si x raised to 6 plus 1. Tapos dito meron din silang x raised to 6 plus 1. Dito lang ay 5. Dito ay 4. So, ilalabas natin yung mas maliit, merong mas maliit na exponent. So, ilalagay natin dito, x raised to 6 plus 1 raised to 4. Meron pa si 4x plus 7 raised to 2, 4x plus 7 raised to 3. So, syempre, ilalabas natin si raised to 2. Kasi nga, siya yung may mas maliit yung kanyang exponent or kanyang raise. Tapos, lagyan natin dyan ng bracket. Tingnan natin kung alin or ano yung matitira on this side. So, 12 divided by 6. Ito. So, that's, 2. Ayan. So, lagay natin dito 2. Tapos, meron tayong raised to 4. Tapos, sa atin is raised to 5. Pero, so, meron tayong isang matitira. So, meron x raised to 6 plus 1. Tapos, sa atin dito is raised to 2. Tapos, meron na tayong raised to 2. So, wala na tayong ilalagay. On this side naman, ayan, so 30 divided by 6. So, that's 5. Tapos, copy lang natin tong x raised to 5. Tapos, raised to 4. Meron na ditong raised to 4. So, wala na tayong ilalagay dyan. Kasi if i-divide po natin ito dito, 1 naman yung kalalabasan. So, ang lalagyan natin is ito na lang. Kasi meron tayong 4x plus 7 raised to 3 siya. Tapos raised to 2 lang yung nandyan. So, 3. Ayan, 3 minus 2. So, meron pa tayong isa. Okay, so ilalagay natin yan dito. Si 4x plus 7. Okay? So, ilalagay natin yan siya sa bracket. So, ngayon, yung nasa loob ng bracket ay po pwede pa ulit natin siyang ma-simplify. So, ito na portion, simplify natin, i-distribute natin si 2 sa kung ano yung nasa parenthesis natin. So, 2 times x, so that's 2x raised to 6. So, 2 times 1 is 2. Same is true, ito, i-multiply din natin. 5x to the 5th times 4x. So, that's, ano yan, 20x to the 6th. Kasi yung ating x raised to 5 times x, magiging 5 plus 1. So, kaya 6 po yan nandyan. Tapos, yung 5x to the 5th, i-multiply natin, magiging 35x to the 5th. So, makikita natin dito, 2x raised to 6, 20x raised to 6. So, pwede po natin yung i-add 20 plus 2. So, that will become 22x raised to 6 plus itong 35. Yan, x raised to 5 at saka si 2 plus 2. So, ito siya. Yun yung nasa bracket. Tapos ito, copy lang natin dyan sa baba. So, our final answer po ay, ito, copy natin, 6x raised to 6 plus 1 raised to 4 times 4x plus 7 raised to 2. At ito pong nakuha natin or na-simplify natin within the bracket. Ayan siya, 35 x raised to 5 plus 2. So, ayan na po. Meron na po tayong final answer.